Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play game mobile step by step. Tap the tutorial and adjust controls to feel comfortable before jumping into matches. Warm up in practice modes to learn aiming, movement, and ability timing. Learn to prioritize objectives, manage resources, and support teammates when needed. Review your matches to spot mistakes, try small improvements each game, and celebrate steady progress as your confidence grows. In this video, I will show how to play game mobile step by step. Start by customizing your control layout and sensitivity for better comfort and aim. Turn off distracting visual effects and enable helpful HUD elements like health and cooldown timers. Practice using abilities in safe modes to learn timing and ranges. Save multiple presets if you switch devices, and test each change in quick matches until it feels natural and reliable. In this video, I will show how to play game mobile step by step. Quick recommendation: grab a pair of darn tough socks for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long gaming sessions on the couch or commute. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play game mobile step by step. Focus on clear goals like capturing zones or escorting payloads instead of only hunting kills. Communicate with teammates using pings to coordinate pushes and retreats. Learn when to play aggressively and when to wait for cooldowns or backup. Build a simple routine for each match start and end to evaluate choices and steadily refine your decision-making over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.